Hello friends, today we will see this model and this is a solid model, and in solid edge today we will see how to create this model. So I will start from the top and later I will create this one, and after this I will create this, right? And then this pocket is here, a rectangular hole, 15 by 48 mm. So I will at the last I will create this rectangle and I will cut it. So let's start with the solid edge. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel, and if you like this video, please share this video. So this is the default interface. Right now I'm going to change the background. So click here and come to background and make it gradient background. Right now select the sketch and top plane, and I'm going to start from this. So draw a line, right? This the line. Now I will start from this chamfer, again a little bit here, inside a small pocket, again here, and click here and click this plane, right? Now dimension it. So I'm using this smart dimension. Select this, and the gap is given as 68. So change this, and from here it is 34. Again 120. So half of 120 will be 60. So click here and here, make this value as 60 and close, and drag this point and make the suitable geometry. And I'm going to use this relate, and for relate I'm using collinear. Make this line and this line collinear. Okay, again dimension, select this, and the dimension of this pocket is 15 and the depth is 16, and this one is 8, again this is 8. Okay, and now this point, this gap is 16. Okay, anything else? No, I think it is okay. And this total is already defined. So click here and make this. No, it is not coming this side. So again select this line and this point. This gap is 30. Okay. Anything else? Just select it and drag here. Okay. Come to this, and this distance is 68 minus 30 means 38. Half of 38, 19, right? Now I'm going to use mirror. So first select what is this, delete it, select this and mirror about this, finish, and use extrude. And the thickness is not both side, I want just same single side, and it is 14. So enter 14. Here you can see that dimension is given. Click here. Now I'm going to create this one. So click sketch, select this face, and I'm starting with a circle. So click a circle, and the diameter of the circle is 20, and next is 20 radius, means 40 dia, so 20 radius, and the center are same, and use a line draw a line from here to here, again this, and match this. Now dimension, click 20 and 20 and 40, and this gap is from this top, the center point is 34. Come to relate and tangent, I want to make these two as a tangent, and use trim, and I don't want this. Still the line is not properly. Come to relate and make this vertical. Now the line is vertical, and with the dimension define this and this. The gap is 20. Right now it is properly placed. Exit and extrude this, the thickness is 15, so enter 15. See, the gap is 15. Click, right. Okay, now I want this thing, so we have two options: either create this thing or create the complete one and then we will cut it. So I'm using new plane. Click here and parallel. From here I want half of 68, 34. The gap is 34. Click here, and this is the working plane. Click this. Now I'm starting with circle. Draw a circle. Circle is 15 dia and 20 radius. Center point is same. Both are concentric. Now use the line, and line will start from here up to a little bit here, and then make them tangent. And from this point, make it tangential. Now use dimension, and this gap is 45. See, 45 it is given, and the center point, and this it is also 45. Dimension of the circle is 40. And one more thing, so first undo this and use a reference line from this center to this point and make this line vertical. Click this and make this line vertical. Right now this is 40, right, and the second one it is 15, right. Now zoom it and use trim. I want to trim it. Again use this trim, remove it, and this line is a reference line, so make this line as a reference and close and extrude it, and the thickness is 15, so enter 15. And now I'm going to use mirror, so this will be mirror with respect to center plane. Okay, and I need one more circle here, so click here, select and draw a circle. One is 15 dia and second one is 30 dia, 15 radius, and both are concentric. Come to this and define both, close, and now extrude here, and this will come 38, right. Now one pocket, For pocket, I'm selecting this face, draw a rectangle, 2 point rectangle I'm going to use, and now dimension it. The dimension is given as 15, this is 15, and 48 is the length, 48, and the position is no. We need one more thing before come to the sketch. We need this portion. So cancel it or delete it. So come to this center plane and sketch. Okay, and here and use dimension and dimension it. The dimension is 9 and finish and extrude it, and it is 30 or 38. So select this symmetric and 38. Okay, now it is okay. Now on this top face, right now I want the next sketch, that is a rectangle. So draw a rectangle from here to this, and the dimensions are 15 by 48, and from this line this gap is 15, and from here to this point gap is obviously 19, and finish. Now cut this. So I'm going to use cut, select this and through. Hide all the sketches and plane as well. So this is the model. Hope you understand this. If you have any query, you can comment me, and if you want any online or offline training, you can contact me for any training. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.